Hey everybody, it's Sharmel. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you all my favorite ways to style these starter locks. So let's get straight into this video. So since starting my lock journey, hair wraps have been like my favorite go-to style. I don't know, it just has this like regal look to it, and it's just an easy way to pull yourself together without having to really do much to your hair. So when it comes to purchasing hair wraps, headbands, all that good stuff, I have two main places where I shop, either my local beauty supply store or Amazon. I like my local beauty supply store because they have like a lot of like silky printed wraps. There are a couple that I purchased from the beauty supply. They're always very colorful, they're soft, they're silky, they have these pretty designs and stuff on it. However, my favorite ones that I've been wearing are from Amazon. They are just basically these thick pieces of cloth. Honestly, you don't have to purchase something that is like titled as head wrap. If you have a large piece of fabric in your closet, you can honestly use that. You can go to a fabric store and buy fabric. Yeah, all you need is a big piece of fabric. I also have a red one. This came in a set. I'm probably gonna order some more in more colors because I really love these. But yeah, so there are tons of ways to style head wraps and wrap them and all that kind of stuff. I'm just gonna show you two of my personal faves. I think I really gravitate towards these two because before I started locking my hair, I was already a bun and ponytail type of person, and these styles kind of mimic a bun or a ponytail or like a top knot or something. Alright, so let's get right into it. I usually like to leave these two like little twists out in the corners, and then I start by just pulling my hair back into a ponytail. So the trick to getting really full and sturdy head wrap styles is full hair. So my hair is not as full yet, so I like to take some Marley hair, and I just have mine attached on a hair tie, and then I attach the hair tie to my natural bun, and I just create, you know, just a little messy bun with the Marley hair just to give my head wrap some fullness and structure. So depending on the texture of the head wrap, I always like to wrap my hair in just a regular head scarf first, like a satin head scarf, just to make sure that my hair is protected. The head wraps that I'm going to be showing you guys, or the ones that I showed you guys from Amazon, they are cotton, and I don't like the idea of that cotton rubbing on my head. So I usually just wrap my hair first in just a satin head scarf just to make sure that my hair is properly protected. And this doesn't have to be super perfect or sleek. I normally just try to make sure that it's wrapped or tied down as flat as possible. So now I'm going to take the actual head wrap, which is super big. I think the bigger the head wrap, the more you can do with it. And I like to first apply the surface starting from the front top of my head, and I'm just making sure that it's even on both sides, and then I'm just going to pull that back, and I'm going to twist it in the back, and that's going to make it tighter, and it's going to make it more secure. So I'm just going to take those two ends, and I'm just going to twist, pull it around to the front and twist some more until I feel like my head wrap is tight and secured at the top. And then once it's tight enough, I'm just going to take that and I'm going to continue to twist it, and I'm going to wrap it around that bun that I have underneath all these scarves. And this is a very classic way to tie a head wrap. There doesn't take much skill or anything. You're just wrapping and twisting, and then I'm going to take the loose end and just secure it underneath the other fabric, and that's it. Any loose pieces I see, I just kind of tuck it, and then I like to leave my hairline out, and I usually do like my baby hairs and stuff, and that is really it. It's really simple. It reminds me of like just slicking my hair back in a bun, and when I was a loose natural, I really loved to just wear my natural hair slicked back in a bun. So this is the first look. This is one of my favorite go-to looks. And the next style is just the top knot version of the first one. So I'm going to start by just pulling my hair up into a bun, and then I'm going to attach the Marley hair at the top, similar to what I did in the first style. And like I mentioned in my intro, there are tons of different ways to style head wraps. These are just my personal favorites, and I feel like they're the easiest and the most beginner friendly. I feel like they look good regardless of what I'm wearing or whether or not my makeup is done. I could be in sweats with the head wrap, or I can be like dolled up with the head wrap, and it comes out fire every time. And again, I'm pretty much repeating the same process, taking a headscarf and tying my hair down to protect it from the cotton head wrap. So this time, instead of starting at the top, I'm going to start at the nape of my head and pull the head wrap to the front. And then I'm going to take the loose pieces and twist it twice. And then I'm going to start wrapping towards the back. So the only difference is now when I do the top ones, I try to make it a little more surfaced and flat instead of like twisting it and wrapping around my ball. I try to keep all that loose hair as kind of surfaced and flat as possible. Obviously, it's a lot of fabric, so it's not going to be like super flat and flesh. So you will have some bulkiness, but I'm not taking those loose pieces and twisting them together to wrap as one unit. I hope that makes sense. And then once I run out, I just tie it in the front, and then I tuck whatever ends are loose. And honestly, I feel like this comes out a little different every time I do it, but that's fine with me. I think that's the beauty in head wraps, is that they're so simple, but they're so detailed and intricate, and I feel like no head wrap style is ever like completely the same as the first time you did it. And that is it, you guys. Yeah, I plan on doing more head wrap styles. Again, these are just like my favorite go-to ones, but I've been loving head wraps. I want to order me some more in different prints, colors, and all of that. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Snatched by Sharmel, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.